there is one song that is a partisan song that I found extraordinary. I think it's from Lithuania or Lvov or that area, from the partisans that fought the German during World War II and lived in absolutely terrible condition. But that song was composed, I think, in that time, and I know only the beginning sentence in Yiddish, and they are very strong. It's a Zugnish Kaimul. I get emotional. As the Geist dem letzten Weg, which means, you understand what it means? It means never say that you go to your last walk. That's one of the songs that I find very emotional and extremely strong.